Nicholas Copernicus, born on February 19th, 1473 in Toruń, Poland, is best known for his groundbreaking work in astronomy that challenged centuries of established thinking about the cosmos. His heliocentric model of the universe, which posited that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun, marked a significant departure from the geocentric model that had dominated Western thought for over a millennium. This shift not only transformed the field of astronomy, but also laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution, influencing subsequent generations of scientists and philosophers. Copernicus was born into a well-established merchant family. His father, a successful businessman, died when he was young, leaving Nicholas and his siblings in the care of their maternal uncle, Lucas Watsonrode, who was the Bishop of Warmia. Watsonrode recognized Nicholas's thus potential and supported his education. Copernicus enrolled at the University of Krakow in 1491, where he studied mathematics, astronomy, and the liberal arts. It was here that he began to develop an interest in astronomy, spurred by the works of ancient astronomers such as Ptolemy. After completing his studies in Krakow, Copernicus pursued further education in Italy, where he earned a doctorate in canon law from the University of Ferrara. He also studied medicine and continued his astronomical research, all while serving as a church official in the Warmia diocese. Copernicus's early career was centered around his administrative and medical duties, but his passion for astronomy never waned. During this time, he began to refine his theories about the structure of the universe. For centuries, the geocentric model of the universe, which placed Earth at the center, was widely accepted. This model, endorsed by the ancient Greek philosopher Claudius Ptolemy, had been adopted by the Catholic Church and was integral to medieval cosmology. However, Copernicus began to question this model. He hypothesized that the Earth was not at the center of the universe, but rather it was one of several planets orbiting the Sun. This heliocentric theory, first proposed by the ancient Greek astronomer Aristarchus of Samos, was revived and expanded by Copernicus in his major work, De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, on the revolutions of the celestial spheres, published in 1543, the year of his death. In De Revolutionibus, Copernicus outlined his theory that the Sun was stationary at the center of the universe, and that Earth and the other planets revolved around it in circular orbits. This was a radical departure from the Ptolemaic system, which placed the Earth at the center of the universe and relied on complex systems of epicycles to explain planetary motion. Copernicus' heliocentric model not only simplified the understanding of the planets' movements, but also provided a more accurate way of predicting their positions in the sky. Although Copernicus' ideas were groundbreaking, they did not immediately gain widespread acceptance. His theory was controversial, particularly within the Catholic Church, which had long supported the geocentric model. However, over time, the heliocentric model gained traction, particularly after the work of later astronomers such as Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei, who provided further evidence to support Copernicus's ideas. Kepler's laws of planetary motion and Galileo's telescopic observations were instrumental in proving that the Earth did, indeed, revolve around the Sun. Copernicus's impact extended beyond astronomy. His work contributed to a broader intellectual movement that challenged established authorities and promoted a more empirical, observational approach to science. The shift from the medieval view of the universe to a more modern understanding marked a key moment in the development of science, influencing figures like Isaac Newton and the entire course of the scientific revolution. Despite his revolutionary contributions, Copernicus remained a relatively obscure figure during his lifetime. His heliocentric theory was not widely accepted during his years, and he spent much of his career focused on other scholarly pursuits. Copernicus died on May 24, 1543, just months after the publication of De Revolutionibus. His theories were not fully recognized or embraced until long after his death, but today he is remembered as one of the greatest figures in the history of science. Nicholas Copernicus's life and work changed humanity's understanding of the universe, challenging long-held beliefs and reshaping the way we view our place in the cosmos. His legacy continues to inspire astronomers, scientists, and thinkers, and his name remains synonymous with the heliocentric revolution that laid the foundation for modern science.